What is blockchain? Blockchain is a decentralized and distributed digital ledger, used to record and store transactions across many computers in a peer-to-peer network. Blockchain was originally designed for the cryptocurrency Bitcoin, but has since then evolved and can be applied to numerous other use cases. Blockchain can be applied to record, track and confirm transactions for virtually anything of value without the need for a central authority. Blockchain is secure and tamper-proof. Blockchain reduces risk and cuts costs for all parties involved. Let's next look at structure of blocks, which form the blockchain. Blockchain stores transaction records in blocks. Blocks are linked together to form a chain. Hence the name, blockchain. Each block contains the following data. 1. Hash that uniquely identifies the block. 2. Hash to the previous block. 3. Time-stamped batches of recent transactions. Blocks make blockchain tamper-proof. Let's look at the key characteristics of a blockchain, which gives organizations a high level of trust in the transaction data. 1. Data in blockchain is decentralized and distributed. 2. Data in blockchain is secure. 3. Transactions in blockchain are based on smart contracts. 4. Transactions in blockchain are based on consensus between the parties of the blockchain network. 5. Transactions in blockchain are immutable. Let's look at each of these characteristics one by one. Data stored in blockchain is decentralized and distributed. Unlike a conventional database in which data is stored in central data servers, the data in a blockchain is stored in multiple computers across networks. Any valid updates made to data on one computer is distributed to all the computers across the network. This makes it impossible for someone to corrupt or manipulate the data. Data stored in blockchain is secure. Each block of the blockchain is encrypted using advanced encryption techniques. Each block is linked to the previous block, making transactions tamper-proof. Blockchain can be permissioned or permissionless. The access levels of each participant in the blockchain network can be controlled. Transactions in blockchain are based on smart contracts. Smart contracts are rules that govern a transaction that participants can carry out in the blockchain. Smart contracts are stored on the blockchain and are executed automatically as part of a transaction. Smart contracts ensure that all parties adhere to the rules that are preset on the blockchain. Transactions in blockchain are based on consensus agreements between all parties on the blockchain network. There must be an agreement between all relevant parties before a transaction can be executed. Transactions are verified and committed to the ledger through various means of consensus algorithms. There are three main consensus algorithms used in blockchains. 1. Proof of work algorithm. 2. Proof of stake algorithm. 3. Practical Byzantine fault tolerance algorithm. Blockchain technology makes it impossible to tamper with transactions. If a transaction is tampered with, then the hash of the block changes. This hash will not match with the reference on the next block of the blockchain. If the tampered block is distributed to the blockchain network, the nodes on the network will recognize this as a tampered block and will reject it. You can add another transaction to change its state, but the original transactions remain in history. Thank you. Please visit us at www.interviewgrid.com for questions and answers on other topics. Good luck.